Welcome back to my channel. Adventure bikes make the more practical sense, especially in developing countries where the road infrastructure is not up to the mark. Biggest misconception is adventure bikes will not be able to catch up with sports bike in those twisty roads. Well, this video is specifically made to keep those misconceptions to rest. What we have here is a Triumph 800 ridden by my friend Sherman in a small enclosed go-kart racetrack. Sherman over here demonstrates how capable an adventure bike is. It is not only practical but will catch up with most of the sports bike in those twisties as long as it's in capable hands. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please do subscribe and we look forward for seeing you in our next one. Thank you.